Hello to everybody listening to Smile. It's Katy Perry. I want to say a very special hello to all of my incredible, beautiful, loyal, encouraging Katy cats all around the world. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me every single time I put out a record, and for being excited and letting the music work its magic on you, and for showing up at the shows and other little places, and for being such an incredible team and a support system that I can always rely on. I am so incredibly grateful for each and every one of you and the things that you make online that make me laugh, and the care that you show, and all of it. I am so profoundly grateful. And that's what a lot of this record is. It's a record that I never really set out to make, but here we are, after continuing my writing process for 2 years. I would get a little message and just be a vessel for different songs or ideas over the past 2 years, and we had many of them, so we felt like maybe it should be a record. Maybe the record should be called Smile, and it should be about finding your smile once again. I don't know about any of you, but sometimes I can feel super low and alone and really in my head, and be my own worst enemy, and let that horrible negative voice that trickles in and out of my head take over. And in these past couple of years, I've really tried to work on that, and I think a lot of these songs reflect walking through that process, walking through that valley, and coming out the other end alive and giving life. And so I'm so grateful you guys are listening. I'm excited. I want to know what your favorite songs are. I have one more song that you're about to hear. This song is kind of a fun, sassy song. Definitely don't at me when you hear it. But thank you once again for listening to all the songs. I hope these songs are encouraging and can lift you out of whatever you're feeling, or give you a little oomph, or give you whatever you need for today. And if you lost your smile, it helps you find your smile again. God bless you. I love you.